What is good, you guys? I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I know a lot of you have subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for doing that. It really means a lot to me. It really helps the channel. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for doing it. All right. I know that some of you that watched my videos didn't actually subscribe to my channel. I think about 70% of them. Yes, man, 70% of you guys have not subscribed to my channel, but you guys watched my video. I'm thankful that you guys watched the video, but it'll be great as well if you subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss my next video, right? So please join my family, please join the team. I want to entertain you guys with my music, and also I want to give you guys a lot of tutorial beat making tips and stuff like that. So please do join my family, right? XCC Tunes family. So let's make beat. Okay guys, in this video I'm gonna make a very simple Arabic flavored type beat. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and find some nice Middle Eastern instrument such as oud. I don't know if that's the right way to pronounce it, or some duk. I think it's duk, or yeah, let me just find something. Okay, cool. So let's start the beat with the rhythmic pattern. I just loaded up darbuka. It's a Middle Eastern percussion, alright? One of my favorite percussion actually. So I'm gonna just loop this for 2 bars and find some kind of nice rhythm. Let me set the tempo here. I want it at 130, that's fine. That sounds dope. I love that. Okay, let's quantize them. Good. Okay, I'm gonna increase the swings. Okay, I'm gonna add one more percussion. Okay, the percussion is ready, so I'm gonna add some hi-hat. Sounds dope. I'm gonna go to scissors tool, press Alt and click, and I can increase it. Cool. I love it. This beat is dope. Let's go ahead and find kick. Okay, I'm gonna go with this. Okay, I'm gonna have to reduce the volume here. It's too loud. Don't like it. Let's go ahead and record the kick. Dope. Mistakenly pressed the wrong note here. Let's go ahead and delete that. No, just move that. Actually, I want to move this to A. Cool. Fire, man. Fire. I'm sweating. I'm sweating right now. I think the drums and the rhythms are ready, right? Let's add some melodic instrument. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna bounce this flute, right? I'm gonna add some kind of effects here. Okay. And I want to add some kind of delay as well. gonna reduce the volume, it's too loud. Let's try. Right, now I'm gonna add a few more. Let me add some strings, right? Let me add some pizzicato strings. Let's try that. One more. I like that string pattern here. I'm gonna release the snare. Okay, let's add 808. Okay, I'm gonna record the 808 now. Let's go. I think that's dope. Cool. I think the beat is done. Okay guys, the beat is done and I'm happy with it. It's really bouncy, it's really tight, and at the same time it makes you move your head. Does it? Okay, anyway, you let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you really loved this beat. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and smash that like button and share this video to all your friends and families. Thank you so much for watching guys. I love you all. Let's listen one more time.